If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi folks, welcome to Mail Call. La 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 la, la 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 la. Alright, thank you.
Actually, isn't he wearing a pilot's uniform?
Yeah, he is a piloto.
Oh, air delivery, I guess.
Air delivery? Okay, well, we're air delivery. Okay, here we go. Alright. I wonder what this is, and I already know what it is. So, without further ado, okay. I got my pen back. This pen I've had for a while, and I could not untwist the barrel. That's how long I have not used this pen, and I didn't have the right tool to do it. Takes pliers with that rubber grip on the pliers, so it won't tear up your pen. And I didn't have that, so I tried everything in the world to get this done, and it would not get done. So I sent it to a buddy of mine, and he got it done. Bam! Just took that tool, and it was good to go. So thank you, Troy LaPlante, my main man. Thank you, and thank you. So that's that, and I'm so glad I got that pen back. Work. Okay. And don't forget, if you're anywhere in Troy's area, should have been a campaign manager. And of course I got a letter from Troy. All right, I'll get right on that. Now, got a box here that came today. Going to be very interesting. Very interesting. This box comes from Pen Boutique. So, thank you, Pen Boutique. When I saw this, I had to have it. It's a curse that us pen fanatics go through. It's like a junkie hooked on heroin. But we're hooked on pens, inks, and papers, and journals, and whatever accessories comes to mind. So, here we go. Here we go. Oh, sailor. So, that will be for the review. I cannot show you the pen. I want to, but I can't. But it's a lovely pen. At least I think so. And, okay, let's talk a little bit about the new caps that I have coming out. The first batch is already gone and sold. They're $24.95 plus shipping and handling. Now, if you live out of the U.S., I can only guess that India, the UK, Australia, or wherever, it's going to be high. Canada did too. So how high is high? I really don't know. It could be 20, 25 bucks or more. I guess I have to investigate that. So if you want to get a cap, you know, I will be using my PayPal, but we're going to make a, what do you call it, Mr. Announcer, something, so you can go to and look at the caps and order there.
We might be able to set that up on Etsy.
So yeah, we'll do something, and then we'll go from there. Okay. So the first batch is already gone. All right. So I have to order another batch. So that's where the pre-orders will start coming in now. So I know how many to order. Okay, I'm not making nothing off of it. This is what it cost. So I make nothing off of it. I just want to do something, I guess, for y'all that enjoy caps, cool looking caps. So let me be right back with the first cap. Okay, here's the cap. Front part, sides, back, and one size fits all. Here's the adjuster in the back. So this is really a good looking cap. I don't think it's too busy. I think it's right on the money. So if you're a cap person, this is a nice color, a really nice design. And it took a lot of work, a lot of detail, Mo was saying, to get every little stitch in there. Because there's a lot of work to do to this design. So, like I said, the first batch is already gone. Bam. So, as soon as we get this posted, we'll make on the site where we're going to put them. Then you can go there and you can do the pre-orders, and we'll take it from there. Also, a new t-shirt is in the works. They're working on the design, and they're going to bring a designer expert on there to give his or her opinion, because I want something unique, something different, something that's not busy, something that people will not mind wearing. If you're a, jeans and t-shirt type of guy or gal, or shorts, then I want something to go with the attire, something that you won't be ashamed of wearing, something that looks cool but vibrant, but then just pops. Can you dig it? Cool. All right, my friends, until next time, be safe and God bless. And don't forget, hey, be kind to a stranger. A lot of peace and lots of love coming your way. Don't text and drive. Bye-bye.